Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear doctors. Regarding artificial intelligence database, we have multiple AI systems, and each system is connected to its large language model or LLM. Sometimes they have 2 or 3 LLM, and which one shall I use? This is sometimes a question. So this was an idea for a website or an application that can have an access to multiple AIs. So you can have the same question put for Gemini, put for 11 Labs, put for Copilot, DeepSeek, and so on. And I think the standard, or let us say the best, is a program which I recommend called POE. P-O-E. You will see the logo down here. So this, as I will show you here on the screen, it has an application on your mobile and desktop, plus a website, so you can use any of these variety. The beauty about this, rather than Gemini or Copilot or DeepSeek, here you can be connected to multiple. So you put your question, for example, what is the best way to treat type 1 endoleak A? So this is a difficult question that unless you really have very good large medical library, you will be unable to solve. Here you can see he put an assistant, 11 Labs, and Gemini 1.5 Flash. As you know, Gemini is multiple version, 1.1, 1.5, then 2, then 2.1. And Flash mean it give you a rapid response. And this is one of criteria of its a transformer to give you a rapid response. So you can have a conversation, because if it is not a Flash, sometimes it take 5 seconds to get you a reply. And this for a conversation is quite long. But let us see more. More will show you the multiple AIs that you can use. As you can see, here is Assistant, 11 Lab, Gemini Flash, and GPT 4.0 Mini, Claude 3, Llama by Facebook, Claude 2, 100K, and Sononet by Claude, GPT 4, GPT 2.0 Flash, DeepSeek is also involved, Grok, Gemini 1.5 Pro, 0.1, and the list go on. So how this program application gets money? Well, simple idea. You have only 10 questions per day. You can direct it to anywhere you like. And after that, you need to pay subscription if you want to use more, which is quite fair. So when you see, when I put this question, first we got Gemini Flash. And here, this is some description about Gemini Flash, and here is the answer. It's a serious complication of endovascular aneurysm repair. It represents a persistent flow around the aneurysm proximal. And here is a treatment option. You can see it's a very good answer. Surgical endovascular repair, endoleak, or open surgical repair. Other consideration, perioperative, patient factors, surgical expertise, post-operative surveillance. You see, it's really very good because we know that Google is a good medical database. And here you can see it open if you want to have the same question to Claude, to Llama, 11 Labs, and to Web. Let us say Claude 3.5. If I press on it, the same question will be asked. You can see here, just add this to the pot, and there are multiple variety, depend on how much token, and it will tell you how much this will cost you, and you need to persist with the free, and it will tell you that you need more token or you need to play more money, put more money with the subscription. But anyway, you will find that probably Gemini is the best for medical practice. But this is a nice way that you can direct your answer toward multiple AI bots. It is a nice website. It is very, very useful. And I hope you did benefit from this trick about artificial intelligence, multiple bots and same question. My name is Dr. Muhammad Ammar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon. I wish you all the best.